Hey guys, it's Brendan with Pkwy Nissan. Today we're actually going to be checking out here at the Toronto Auto Show, the 2026 Nissan Armada. And this one here to my right is the NISMO edition. If you're familiar with Nissan as a brand, NISMO has always been their top trim model when it comes to sport and more of that enthusiast brand. Some manufacturers have like Mercedes with AMG or Toyota with TRD. With Nissan, it is the NISMO, and for 2026, the new Armada comes with a lot more personality to it. So let's take a close look here at the front end of this new Armada. So first and foremost, what we would notice with this Armada versus the previous other models, the either Pro 4X or Platinum Edition, is the NISMO has a all gloss black finish to it, really kind of making everything else pop on it here. We've got that gorgeous Nissan logo on the front, that gorgeous Nissan badge, and then we've got all of these little red accents top to bottom here, as NISMO in any Nissan product that is NISMO comes with that addition to it, and it just really accentuates the overall design and aesthetics to it. The Nissan GTR, which is Nissan's Halo supercar, also has a NISMO edition, and it looks very similar to the front end of this one here and all the different little additions they've done to this particular spec. Let us know in the comments below, are you a fan of the red that you see on this here, or would you prefer to see it in a possible different color? Let us know in those comments below. All right, so let's take a look at the side here. So this one here, as it's spec'd out from the manufacturer, comes in with a MSRP of 108,000 Canadian, and that's very respectable considering when you're looking at a top spec Yukon, Tahoe, or Toyota Sequoia, they're all in that $110,000 to $115,000 price point as well. So I think good job to Nissan on that. We've got these massive tires that come with it on all Armadas, but on the NISMO here a little bit larger. And they've gone to a different design here where we've got a gloss black and the brushed aluminum finish. And nice little touch here, so they're bringing in all those red little accents from the front. Down the side here with red pinstriping, and then we've got those massive red brake calipers on there as well. The exterior color on here is Boulder Gray. So we see Boulder Gray on the Armada, we have it on the Z, we've seen it on the GTR, and now specifically here on the NISMO edition, it gives that nice pastel finish to it. It's your opinion that matters, so let us know. Do you like this particular color here behind us? Are you a fan of this? And do you like what Nissan USA and Nissan Canada have done with this all new Armada NISMO? So getting in this vehicle here specifically, you're met with a gorgeous interior on all Armadas, but this one here specifically is a little bit different. So we've got beautiful black leather with red Alcantara. We've got black Alcantara on the dashboard. I don't see very many vehicles that actually offer Alcantara on the dash. And then we actually have it as you go into the headliner on the vehicle. But I think it's such a nice touch to have that along with the red accents. We've got some nice lovely red stitching, a little bit of carbon fiber, and then we've got that, get a look at that nice NISMO badge on this particular model here as well. Nice finishes to it. The seating feels exactly like any Armada. It's just a little bit sportier, and the materials we have on the steering wheel here do feel a little bit different than a Pro 4X or a Platinum Edition. I think they've done a wonderful job on this. As you guys know, if you've seen any of my previous videos, I am a huge fan of Klipsch audio. Nissan for years has been with Rockford Fosgate or with Bose, and they've signed contracts to do Klipsch audio with the Nissan Armada and then the Infinity Series version of this, the QX80. It is a game changer. I think for many people, it could be one of the reasons why you buy the Nissan Armada if you're huge or a big fan of music, as I am. But let us know, have you experienced Klipsch audio before, possibly at home? They're a massive producer for sound equipment in sound stages or concert halls, and it truly is a game changer. You have to experience it in person to fully understand what I'm talking about right now. Let's hop out and let's get some final thoughts on what we think of the Nissan Armada NISMO. So that's it for some details on this new Armada NISMO. Now, a few things. What Nissan has done has branded the Armada to really three different buyers. We have the Pro 4X, which arguably is the most rugged, off-road capable version of them all. We have the Platinum, which is arguably also the most sporty, luxurious. And then we have this one here, which is more of the sport-based, enthusiast-based SUV version of this. there's not really anything else. If you look at Tahoe, if you look at the Yukon or the Toyota Sequoia, that have quite the road presence or look that this has. Let us know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the Armada NISMO, and do you think they've done enough here if you're looking for a vehicle of this size to earn your business this time around? For more information or videos like this, if you can hit that like and subscribe button here at Pkwy Nissan, we'd appreciate it. Give that video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.